Okay, sir. Next, after balancing the oxygen atoms, now we have to balance the hydrogen atoms. So for balancing of the hydrogen atoms, again you just verify which side is excess, which side is deficient of the hydrogen atoms. Here in this reaction, on the left side we have only one hydrogen atom. On the right side we have 30 hydrogen atoms. That means 29 hydrogens are excess this side. 29 hydrogens are excess. Therefore, first identify which side the excess of hydrogens are present. Whichever side excess of hydrogens are present, that many number of OH groups have to be added. Then if you add the OH groups in the same step, simultaneously we have to add the same number of water molecules to its opposite side. That means in this entire process, on the excess side OH groups have to be added. To the deficient side H2O, that means water molecules have to be added. Therefore here, this is the original reaction, 6C2O4 2 minus plus 2Cr2O7 2 minus plus here OH groups, here H2Os. This side extra hydrogens are present. This side we have to add the OH groups. This side we have to add the water molecules. So this is the original OH group. Now we have to add the water molecules. How many water molecules we have to add? Here 29 hydrogens are extra. Therefore this side we have to add 29 OH groups. If you add 29 OH groups this side, to its opposite side, same number of water molecules have to be added. That means 29 water molecules have to be added. Next, this side 12 CO2, 4 Cr3 plus, here 15 H2O plus 29 OH. 29 OH grams. Now you can cross check the whether oxygen atoms have been balanced or not. You can cross check whether hydrogens have been balanced or not. Now you see all oxygen atoms have been balanced. All hydrogens are also balanced. Before we have started the process, the carbon and chromiums have already been balanced. Then after balancing the carbon and chromium, through the exchange of these numbers, we have balanced the charge present on the reactant side, charge present on the product side. Now this is the net reaction. Next, after deriving the net reaction, so if similar terms are present on both sides, you can cancel them. Therefore here one OH minus is present, here 29 OH minus, here one OH minus, eliminate. Next here 29 H2O, here 15 H2O. From this 15 H2O and here 15 H2O, remove. So net reaction is C2O4 2 minus. Next 2 Cr2O7 2 minus. Next this side 29 OH groups are present. This OH group is present this side. We have cancelled this OH group. Therefore this side we don't get the OH groups. Next water molecules. Here 29 water molecules are present. Here 15 water molecules are present. So this 15, here 15 you cancel them. So still how many will be left? 14 H2O. 14 H2O will be left. Next 12 CO2 plus 4 Cr3 plus 29 OH minus. 29 OH minus. Yes. Wait. 14. Sorry. Wait. 28 OH minus. No balance. Okay. ఈ లైన్ మళ్ళీ రాయమంటారా? అవసరం లేదు. అది మళ్ళీ రాయమంటారా? 28 OH minus. Now all the atoms under the charge have been balanced. Okay, sir. బెస్ట్ ఆన్సర్. రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్ అంటే రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్ 2 hours ఇచ్చారు. ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్ టైము? 1 hour వచ్చింది. 4:30. సార్ ఉన్నారా ఇంకొకసారి? రిడాక్స్ అదే ఆయన CEO కాదు, నాకు టైం రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్కి 2 hours అలాట్ చేసి ఉండే. ఇంకా 1 hour అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా 1 hourలో ఏం చెప్పాలని. రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్ రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్ మీరు 2 hours అలాట్